Welcome to Anjala's world. Let's begin. Do you feel bored? Well then, this video is for you. There are some ideas you can try to relieve your boredom. Bake something you like, for you and for your family. Read a book. Store a motivational quote. Organize your room and your wardrobe. Take a bubble bath. Give yourself a manicure and a pedicure. Make a homemade ice cream of your favorite flavor. Go for a calm walk. Start a journaling. Paint your nails or try a nail art. Recycle old or broken candles. Try a untried recipe. Write a letter to your future self. Clean your makeup brushes and vanity. Start making a DIY project. Go for a grocery shopping or do online. Play a board games. Make a recipe for your parents to make them happy. Watch a movie, series or a serial. Give your some time to a pet or to your family. Apply a soothing face mask and do a deep skincare. Try to create a cute makeup look. Customize your mobile phone as you like. And download aesthetic apps in it.